In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're tracking invoices, monitoring expenses, or analyzing sales, custom reports are a powerful tool to help you gain deeper insights into your business. By tailoring reports specifically to your needs, you'll be able to focus on the details that matter most. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive right into the process. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and click on the option labeled Reports. This will take you to the main Reports page, where you can access a variety of financial summaries and tools. Next, at the top of the Reports page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Custom Reports. This is where all your personalized reports will be stored. To create a new one, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Create New Report. Now, it's time to decide what type of report you'd like to create. QuickBooks gives you several options, such as reports focused on invoices, expenses, or sales. If none of these templates fit your needs, you can even start with a blank report and customize everything from scratch. Simply select the option that works best for you. Once you've chosen your report type, the next step is to customize it. To do this, head to the top right toolbar and click on Columns. This feature allows you to add or remove specific fields that will appear as columns in your report. For example, you might want to include details like the date, customer name, account type, and the amount associated with each entry. Select the fields you want, and they'll be added to your report instantly. After adding your columns, you can adjust their order to prioritize the most important details. Drag and drop the columns so that key information like dates or amounts is displayed toward the left side of the report. This makes the report easier to read and interpret at a glance. As you make adjustments, you'll notice that QuickBooks updates the report in real time. Take a moment to review how everything looks. If something feels off or needs tweaking, you can make changes right away. This live preview ensures you'll have a polished and accurate report before moving forward. When you're satisfied with the way your report looks, it's time to save your work. Head to the top right corner of the page once again and click on Save. QuickBooks will prompt you to enter a name for your report. Be sure to choose a clear and descriptive name so that you can easily identify it later. Once you've entered the name, confirm the save. Finally, to access your saved report in the future, simply return to the Custom Reports tab within the Reports section of QuickBooks Online. From here, you can view your report, make further edits, or even duplicate it to create new reports based on the same format. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom report tailored to your business needs in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.